Okay, so we have a problem. We are converting a cargo trailer to a camper, and we want to put a split system air conditioner between the jack and the nose. And we have just over 12 inches, and the unit we're putting in is almost 12 inches. So we have the problem of how we're going to jack this up. Now, we could go buy an electronic one and try to wire it in and do all that, but I thought, you know, there's got to be an easier way to fix this. In addition to having no space here, a lot of times when you're having to jack this stuff up, it's not easy on your shoulder, especially if you have one that flexes, you have to go up around stuff. So the goal is, how do we make this functional and easier at the same time? And also doing something that doesn't cost a lot of money to create the fix that we need. And we've got something that's going to change your life. All right, so this is the front of my rescue wagon. I've got a generator box right here. So when I'm jacking it up, I'm having to lift it up as I go around. You can see several times I hit it and took the paint off. So on the new camper conversion, that made me think, I want to do something to mine as well. So I thought, well, how could I remove this and get something on the top that would be easy? All right, so the goal was use my impact wrench and bring this puppy up or down. Now, here's the cool thing. If you don't have one of these, why spend 189 bucks on a jack when you can spend 189 bucks on an impact wrench that you can use for all kinds of other things? So, as we go through here, all I need to do is put this bolt back in. And before I do that though, real quickly, I am going to brush off the rust that is on here. As I go to put this on, I'm going to line up my holes. Now, it's off the bottom just a little bit, so I'll probably get a couple washers to still leave it so it flexes around, but it's got a little bit more that space taken up. I put my washer back on, and my nylon nut, and now I'm going to tighten it up with a wrench. Okay, so now I've got that tight. And the moment of truth, I need to pull up my jacks before we bring this up and down. As I go to put this on, I'm going to line up my holes. Now, it's off the bottom just a little bit, so I'll probably get a couple washers to still leave it so it flexes around, but it's got a little bit more that space taken up. I put my washer back on, and my nylon nut, and now I'm going to tighten it up with a wrench. Okay, so now I've got that tight. And the moment of truth, I need to pull up my jacks before we bring this up and down. All right, so the moment of truth, we're going to give this thing a try. Okay, so if you use your impact wrench to go up, that is a little bit slow because the impact wrenches don't go fast. However, it's a whole lot better than swinging around with your arm. Go down, obviously. One nice thing is you can also use this with your small driver as well. Put that on there. Actually goes a little fast. So depending on what you have, how heavy your camper is. This is not a real heavy camper. This is not a super powerful. This has only got like 300 pounds of torque. So if you have a little nicer one, it'll probably be a little smoother, a little easier. Here's the deal though. This cost me $4.99. So if you've already got an impact wrench or you've got a drill driver and you don't have room for your handle, this is a quick, easy fix to what you have. Now, I will have this stashed with an extra bolt somewhere just in case my battery went dead, something happened and I could no longer use this, even having a ratchet that I could use on this. So just having a little backup, but really, I think this is a great thing. This is going to change your life, make it a whole lot easier for you to do stuff without having to have a big handle in your way. For more how-to videos like this, click on the video on the screen or go to our channel and check out our playlists. If you found value in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and as always, doing things yourself, creating new things, allows you to be free. We'll see you in the next video.